Hello friends and welcome back to the Directly Then channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS Vivobook S14 and S16 Copilot Plus PC. So friends, the ASUS has announced two new Vivobook models including S3407CA and S3607CA, a pair of Copilot Plus PC engineered to the ideal companion for everyday life. So friends, the featuring latest high-performance Snapdragon X processor with up to 45 TOPS NPU. This ultra-slim, lightweight laptop delivers powerful AI capabilities, extended battery life, and next-level connectivity for work, study, and play. Okay. And both models with stunning 16 Gen 10 Full HD OLED and 2.5K 144Hz IPS display along with the Snapdragon sound and Dolby Atmos audio designed for style and durability. Okay. And the laptop can be operated unplugged for up to amazing 32 hours with almost no performance penalty when running on battery power, and user can enjoy maximum on-the-go productivity and the support multitasking and data-intensive applications. The laptop are equipped with 32 GB LPDDR5X memory and 1 TB PCI 4.0 into 4 SSD slot, delivering fast and responsiveness performance for work, creativity, and entertainment. And the I/O ports including two USB 4 ports supporting 40 GB data transfer, display port, power delivery, alongside two USB 3.2 Generation 1 Type A port, an HDMI port, and 3.5 mm audio combo jack. And the full power Wi-Fi 6E enable ultra-fast wireless connectivity, providing stable, high-speed internet access with reduced latency and making streaming, video conferencing, and cloud-based tasks smoother and more reliable. So, friend, if you like my video, please do like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.